In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a project on Pipedrive. We'll walk through how to set up a project from start to finish, link it to your existing deals, and then manage your work as it moves through each stage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a deal or an idea into an organized, trackable project inside Pipedrive. First, once you're logged into Pipedrive, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see the project's icon, which looks like a little checkboard. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to your main projects area, where you'll be able to see all of your current and past projects laid out in a board view. Now, to create a new project, move your mouse up to the top right corner of the screen and click the button labeled Plus Project. This opens a new window or panel where you'll define what this project is about. At this point, you have two main choices. If you already have a deal in Pipedrive that this project is related to, you can select that deal to link it. This is helpful if you're delivering work after a sale because it keeps everything connected to the same client and opportunity. If you don't have a deal or the project is more internal, you can simply type in a project title manually. Make the title clear and specific so you can easily recognize it later. Next, Pipedrive will ask if you want to use a template or create the project from scratch. Templates are great if you run similar projects repeatedly, like onboarding clients or launching campaigns, because they come with predefined stages and tasks. If you don't see a template that fits what you're doing, choose Create from Scratch so you can customize everything yourself. Once you've set the basic details and made your choice, click Save. Your new project will now appear on your projects board. From here, you'll manage your work visually. Each project appears as a card that you can drag and drop across the different board stages as you progress. For example, you might move a project from planning to in progress and then to completed. This gives you a quick overview of where everything stands. To go deeper into any specific project, click on its card. Inside, you can add tasks, break them down into subtasks, and upload files that are relevant to the work. Use tasks and subtasks to outline what needs to be done, who's responsible, and in what order. Attach files like documents, briefs, or images so everything is stored in one place. That's all you need to start and manage a project in Pipedrive.